Okay, here is my MAC travel case. I just did this video and you guys are going to crack up at me. And it ran out of power. So I'm going to do this again. I hope I can remember everything I said the first time. It's my MAC travel case. Velcro, 2 small compartments. It fits a gang of stuff. As you can see, I have all my MAC travel in here. You see it's Velcro. Fits right in there. I got a longer one. Velcro. And another longer one. So you have 2 longs, 2 smalls. And as you can see, they're packed. You have a middle zipper insert here, which I have my Neckids. Palettes can fit in there lengthwise as long as your arm. And we have another side, so you have 2 zipper sides. Like I said, it's zippered. You have 2 compartments here, which are deep, which are pretty deep. As you see, about that deep. And desk wide as my hand, and they hold quite a bit. Let me take this out again. I have my Beauty So Queen, great for spraying. I have my Makeup Forevers. I have my HD powder. Let me put this down. Let's see if you can see. Let you see what one side I hold. Bobbi Brown. Well, 10 Makeup Forever lipsticks. Pretty simple. Bobbi Brown gel. Another Makeup Forever. My Makeup Forever palette, which I love. Can't wait to get my foundation one to use. Can't wait for this one because Halloween, my granddaughter, she's already looking at this one. I got some more Bobbi Brown gels. And on this side, I got my loose MAC, about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about 12. Holds a MAC paint palette. That's in there. I got some MAC lip. Let me open this up for you. Can you see? Pretty colors. I bought 2 of these. I try to get them. But you know, MAC comes out with new limits. Limited editions all the time. You go broke. I've got the MAC double-sided palette in here. I've got 2 of them. Can I? Yeah, and I've got them depotted with MAC lipsticks. I just did these. They look pretty clean. This was not an easy task. I made 2 of those with my MAC lipsticks, because being out here in Vegas, they seem to melt on me. So that's what those are. And I just want to give you guys a quick look and let you know, if you're on the fence, this is a good product to have, so you don't have to be lugging everything around. And on this side, larger side, I have my AJ Crimson. I have the 8 shades. I haven't gone through those yet. I just got them. I have some samples to give clients. These are Coastal Scents. They don't even make these anymore. I have some Artists of Makeup highlighter and contour sticks. These are great. I have my Graftobians. I have the warm, the cool, and the neutral. I try to keep them nice and neat. I'm a neat freak. And I have some concealers here and my MAC double-sided palettes. And I have one with my foundations in them. So I just want to give you guys a quick look at all that this puppy holds. And it holds, we got an outside zipper pocket on one side, and you have like, or you can put your face charts on the other side. And, excuse this video, and it comes with a strap. Just want to let you guys see that right quick. Okay, anyway, this is my little MAC travel case. Love it. And here is a strap, so you guys can see it's got a little plastic there. I think I'm going to cover mine with something a little bit thicker if I put it on my shoulder, because it is quite heavy. Alright, you guys, take care. Bye.